Hey there, thanks for stopping by Manly Bands to check out some of our fantastic products. We're going to get into one right now that we like to call the Intimidator. Just stay still, guys. Its vision's based on movement. But I am super thirsty. If I drink it, I bet he'll go away. All right. What was in it? The Intimidator. Here we go. Inside of our custom box. Wow, that's rough. Anyway, we've got our custom card here, welcoming you to the Manly Bands family. Inside we've got customer service information along with some compliments, because you deserve them, and some ancient hieroglyphics on how social media works. So, get your band, take a picture, tag us. We'd love to see them, as long as they're good pictures. Otherwise, don't bother. Inside, there we have it, the Intimidator. This is an absolutely awesome ring. Let's get into the details of it. So what we have here is we have Damascus steel with 3 millimeters of genuine Gibeon meteorite. We got 1 millimeter of red Cerakote, and as you might have guessed, finish it off with some dinosaur bone with an acid finish. Just absolutely fantastic. Now, I know what you're thinking. Did we take every cool material and jam-pack it into one band? Yes. Yes, we did. But another cool material you may not have considered is the one that our black silicone ring is made of, and that's silicone, obviously. That's a great option if you don't want to scratch up that bone or Cerakote or meteorite, not that you could, then give that a try. Also included are some special promotional offers as they become available, people that we like to partner with from time to time that we think will bring you great deals. So, if you like all cool things rolled into one like I do, like Snickers bar or a prehistoric mosquito suspended in petrified tree sap, then you might want to check out the Intimidator on manlybands.com.